Hi mga besh! Welcome back sa channel and today pag-uusapan natin ng isang viral moment na sobrang relatable at medyong sakit sa puso, ang Is Near experience sa PBB Collab Edition. Yung tipong funny ka naman, ka-vibes ka naman ng lahat, pero bakit parang ikaw pa rin ang last pick? Pero wait lang, hindi lang to chika, may legal insights tayo dito, so tara, let's dive in. Okay, so ganito yon. During the final duo formation sa PBB Collab Editions, kailangan mamili ng partner. Si Sneer, hindi unang pinili, hindi pangalawa. As in, last pick siya. Pero di ba siya yung life of the party. Siya yung nagpapasaya sa bahay. Kaya ang daming nakarelate kasi minsan, kahit mahal ka ng lahat, hindi ka pa rin priority. Guys, ito yung tinatawag nating funny but optional syndrome. Yung lahat natutuwa sa'yo pero sa crucial moment, hindi ikaw ang pinili. Ang sakit nun ha, kasi kahit entertainer ka, gusto mo rin maramdaman na may pipili sa'yo not just for love, but for your worth. Ngayon, pasok tayo sa legal side. May Latin maxim tayong tinatawag na res inter alias acta. Ibig sabihin, things done between others should not affect those not involved. Eh di ba? Parang si Sneer. Wala siyang say sa pagpili pero siya yung naapektuhan. Parang sa buhay, napag-usapan ka na, wala ka pa rin sa usapan. Ouch. In the Civil Code, Article 1156 says, an obligation is a juridical necessity to give, to do, or not to do. Ibig sabihin, wala talagang obligasyon ng iba to pick you. Pero as humans, meron tayong more obligations to recognize value and presence. And when we don't get that, ang sakit. Pero we laugh it off, gaya ni Sneer. Guys, real talk. This is like we protect in constitutional law minority rights. Sneer represents people na laging seen pero never prioritized. Yung lagi natin sinasabi sa kanila, ang saya mo kasama. Pero hindi ikaw ang gusto ko makasama hanggang sa dulo. Hi. Next Latin legal concept natin, ovius ibi remedium. When there is a right, there is a remedy. Pero minsan, anong remedy? Tawa na lang. Sneer did just that. Ginawang content yung sakit. Ayan ang tunay na resilience ng Pilipino. So ito yung real talk takeaway. Hindi dahil hindi ka pinili, wala ka ng halaga. Minsan, yung last picks, sila yung may pinaka-solid na impact. Sa batas nga, may mga compulsory heirs. Ayaw mo man o hindi, kasama sila. Kaya kung lagi kang sneer sa barkada, funny but underestimated, please, wag mong maliitin ang sarili mo. Kaya kung nararamdaman mo na rin yung pagiging funny friend lang, remember this. You may not be the first pick, but you are irreplaceable when your true value is seen. Funny ka nga, pero hindi ka lang pang patawa. You're meant to be seen, heard, and chosen. Kung nakarelate ka sa sneer moment, share this video. And if you are the funny one in your group, alam mo na, mahal ka pa rin namin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you sa next Hugot times Legal Chica. Again, this is JM, and remember, I will always be your law companion.